Looks like a nice night for a little ride, huh? You want to go? Yeah? All right, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, start it up.
I'll go slowly.
Okay, let's go slow. Let's go see if those baby birds are still there.
Okay.
Look at Luna. Watch out, don't get run over. Bumpy ride.
Stop.
All right, stop. Good job. All right, let me get down real quick. So we found a nest in here a couple weeks ago, and I didn't realize it had any eggs in it. And we started hearing some chirping, and we found a little baby bird. I think there's a couple babies in there. I haven't been able to see really well. Let me see. Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. I'm not gonna touch the nest because I heard that if the mom smells human, or if you disturb the nest, the mom won't come back. I wish I had a flashlight. There they are. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. How adorable. They're waiting on their mommy. Since we are going for a ride around here and looking at some wildlife, let's go see those big paw prints, see if they're still there in the dirt. You want to go take a look?
No.
No! All right, let's go. Check it out. We found some really huge paw prints the other night in the dirt. See if they're still there. They definitely were not the dog's paw prints. Oh wait, stop. Yeah, there they are. Hey Luna, come here. Put your paw next to this. Let's make sure. Luna, come here. Sit. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Hold on, I gotta get a good angle. Yeah. Those are a little bit bigger than her paw. She just stepped in it, so I could tell those are a little bit bigger. Here, let's keep going. Let's see if there's any more.
I see one mine.
All right, will you turn this on and we'll go a little bit further?
Yeah.
Keep going. Let's see. Do we see any more? Oh, look, keep going. I see them. All right, nope, keep going. All right, stop. Yeah, look at that. Look at how big those are. We've had a lot of bobcats around. I think that's what got our chickens. Luna, you're not doing your job keeping animals out. Should we go in the woods?
Yeah.
You think it's getting too dark though? No? Alright, let's do it. See if we see any blueberries. Yeah, they're still green. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.